The state of Utah is graced by another national park. Nature is the architect. Arches National Park. The park is located in the canyon country of southeastern Utah. It's a wonderland of formations, landforms, and textures found nowhere else on Earth. Here, atop an underground salt bed, shaped and chiseled by erosion, stands the most extensive array of natural arches on Earth. Rising to the vast desert sky, like the ruins of a race of giants, are the arches which the park is named after. Nowhere else in the world can natural arches be found in such numbers. In this region, several thousand have been counted. Each arch differs in size and form, and they are ever changing. Water shapes them, knife-like winds whittle at them, erosion endlessly buffs them, and will one day slowly destroy them. Their fantasy shapes challenge our imaginations. We call this one, over 300 feet long, Landscape Arch. This, Double Arch. Turret Arch. Not all are arches. Some are fancifully named formations. Sheep Rock. The Three Gossips. Wall Street. The Parade of Elephants. The Fiery Furnace. This land is harsh. Erosion is constantly at work. Until the year 1940, the opening in Skyline Arch was blocked by a huge boulder. But erosion undercut the boulder's support, which shaped the spectacular arch we see today. As tempting as it may be to visiting daredevils, climbing the arches is strictly forbidden. A startling variation on multiple arches is balanced rock. 125 feet above the ground, on a massive stone shaft, a huge boulder weighing as much as 1,600 full-size automobiles is delicately balanced. As popular with visitors as this site is, it's outdone by the destination of these hikers. Delicate Arch, a play with clay sort of arch that seems almost too fragile to stand. Yet, it has probably stood for centuries. Of the more than 2,000 arches here, this is the indelible memory that most visitors take away with them. This is the landmark arch. This is the icon, the treasured emblem of Arches National Park.